Hi, welcome to Times Table Magic. This book is going to teach you how to learn times tables in a quick, fast and fun way using stories and your imagination. It works by linking together a character in the shape of a number. You put these characters in a story and you link them together in a really exaggerated story, and that gives you the recall of your times tables. So, each number has a given character. Now use your imagination. The number 3 is a butterfly. Trace the wing. 9 is a balloon. So, butterfly and butterfly, 3 times 3. Butterfly and butterfly are having a race. Who's cheering them on? A big red balloon is cheering them on. Number 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Try it now or your money back. We guarantee you and your child will have fun.